Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to maths class with Mehmet Shan. I hope you are doing well. Please take out your maths notebooks. Put margin lines. Write date. Today is 14th September 21st and day is Tuesday. Our topic of discussion is fractions. What we'll do, we'll reduce our fractions in their simplest form. Okay. Let's go for first example. The first example is 40 upon 30. So the question is how we can reduce our given fraction, or how we can get its simplest form. Okay, to get the simplest form of any given fraction, firstly you people have to find the factors of your numerator and the factors of the denominator. Okay, I have explained the definitions of factors and the concept of factors in yesterday's video. You can also take help from that video, but I'll explain it again. What is factor? Factor is a quantity or a number. When we multiply together, it gives us our required product. So let us go and find the factors of 40 and the factors of 30. In a very simple way, you can say like 40 किस टेबल में आता है. Okay, you have to go from these tables and write their numbers. Like 40 ones are 40, 2 20s are 40, 4 10s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 8 5s are 40, and up to so on. Any other numbers in any other tables in which 40 comes. Okay, similarly we will find factors of 30. Okay, here are factors of 40 and factors of 30. After finding the factors of 40 and factors of 30, we'll move towards the common factors, like which numbers or which factors are common in these both factors. Here 1 is common and 10 is also common. Okay, so after finding the common factors, we'll go for the greatest common factor. Here are the common factors, and from the common factors we'll take our greatest common factor. Okay, from the common factors, here common factors are 1 and 10, and which number is greater? Obviously 10. So our greatest common factor will be 10. Okay, so our last step will be, after having greatest common factor, what we'll do to reduce our given fraction. I'll take this greatest common factor and I'll divide my numerator and denominator with this greatest common factor. 10 4s are 40 and 10 3s are 30. Okay, so 4 upon 30 is the lowest form or the simplest form of the given fraction. That was 40 upon 30. Okay, that's all about all these sums. Okay, the rest of the procedure is same. Please try all these questions on your rough notebook and do practice of all these sums. These some questions are for your homework. Okay, try to do all these notes on your notebooks, and if you want to ask any question, if you need any help, you can ask me in your next class, or you also can take help from this video or the PDF I have sent you in your WhatsApp group. Have a good time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.